Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about 2025. We're seeing headlines about a potential recession, the stock market's going crazy, crypto's making a comeback, and AI stocks are booming like it's 1999 again. That's why in this video we're diving deep into the best investment opportunities for 2025. We're talking stocks, real estate, crypto, you name it. Remember, smart investors don't panic when times get tough, they adapt and thrive. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear game plan for your money no matter what the economy throws your way. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. Alright, before we throw money at anything, we need to understand what's actually going on in the economy. Is a recession inevitable? Is inflation going to keep eating away at our savings? What's the deal with interest rates? See, the thing is, the economy operates in cycles, and right now we're in uncharted territory. We've got the lingering effects of the pandemic, supply chain disruptions, geopolitical uncertainty, and a whole lot of tech innovation happening all at once. It's wild out there. But here's the good news. Even in volatile times, there are always opportunities. Knowing the economic landscape helps us identify which sectors are poised for growth and which ones might be headed for a downturn. Think of it like this. If you're going surfing, you wouldn't just paddle out without checking the waves first, right? You'd want to know if it's a good day for beginners or if you're going to get wiped out by a massive swell. The same goes for investing. We need to understand the current conditions so we can make informed decisions. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the stock market. Specifically, what stocks should you be looking at in 2025? The key is knowing where to look. Identify solid companies with strong fundamentals.
And one trend is impossible to ignore: technology. Companies at the forefront of AI, renewable energy, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and healthcare innovation.
Now let's talk about real estate. It's the classic investment, the one everyone's parents told them to get into. But is it still a good investment in 2025? Well, the answer, as always, is it depends. The real estate market is constantly changing, and 2025 is no different. We've got rising interest rates, inflation, and a whole lot of uncertainty about where prices are headed. Some markets are booming, while others are cooling down. So what's an investor to do?
First, you need to understand the fundamentals of real estate investing. What makes a good investment property? What are the different ways to invest in real estate? From buying rental properties to REITs to crowdfunding platforms. And what are the risks and rewards associated with each approach? Next, you need to analyze the specific market you're interested in. Are prices going up or down? What's the rental demand like? What are the local economic factors that could impact your investment? And finally, you need to consider your own financial situation and investment goals. Are you looking for passive income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both? Real estate can be a great investment, but it's not for everyone.
Okay, so the stock market has you a little uneasy, and real estate seems like a headache with these interest rates. What about the old reliables, the things people have been using to preserve wealth for centuries? That's right, we're talking about gold, commodities, and other inflation-proof assets. Look, when the economy gets shaky and inflation starts eating away at your purchasing power, these assets have historically held their value or even gone up. Gold, for example, is like the OG safe haven. It's been a store of value for thousands of years, and people tend to flock to it when they're nervous about the market. Commodities, on the other hand, are the raw materials that drive our economy, things like oil, natural gas, copper, and agricultural products. As inflation rises, so do the prices of these essential goods. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on gold bars and barrels of oil, but having some exposure to these assets can be a smart way to diversify your portfolio and potentially hedge against inflation. Let's talk about the Wild West of investing, cryptocurrency. After the crazy ride of 2021, is crypto dead, or is it about to make a massive comeback?
Crypto is volatile, always has been, always will be. But beneath the price swings, there's a real technological revolution. Blockchain technology has the potential to change everything, from finance to supply chain management to how we interact with the internet.
And then there's Web3, the next iteration of the internet. Imagine a world where you have more control over your data. That's the promise of Web3.
Crypto is high risk, high reward, but ignoring it could mean missing out on a massive opportunity. Approach with skepticism, do your research, and invest wisely.
Okay, so we've talked about stocks, real estate, commodities, and even crypto. But what about those times when you just want to play it safe? That's where bonds, cash, and other safe haven investments come in. Bonds are loans to governments or corporations paying you back with interest. Cash provides flexibility and peace of mind during emergencies. A balanced portfolio with these assets can weather market storms. All right, so you've got your stocks, your real estate, your gold and your bonds. But what if you're looking for something a little different, something off the beaten path that could potentially generate outsized returns?
That's where alternative investments come in. We're talking about everything from fine art and collectibles to farmland and private equity.
These investments don't fit neatly into traditional asset classes, but they can offer unique opportunities for diversification and potentially higher returns.
Now, alternative investments aren't for everyone. They can be illiquid, meaning it might be difficult to sell them quickly if you need to access your money. They can also be complex and require specialized knowledge.
But for those willing to venture beyond the stock market and traditional investments, alternatives can add an intriguing dimension to your portfolio. All right, we've covered a lot of ground, from the current economic landscape to different asset classes and investment strategies. Now let's bring it all together and talk about smart moves you can make to navigate the markets in 2025 and beyond. First and foremost, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies. This helps mitigate risk and can potentially enhance returns. Next, stay liquid. Having a healthy cash reserve gives you flexibility and peace of mind, especially during times of market volatility. It also allows you to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Third, focus on long-term growth. Don't get caught up in short-term market swings or try to time the market. Instead, invest in companies and assets with strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. And finally, invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your own education and skills. The more you learn about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. So, there you have it, guys. We've covered a ton of ground today, from the economic outlook to specific investment ideas for 2025. And while the future might seem uncertain, remember this: knowledge is power. The more you understand about the markets, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions with your money, no matter what challenges lie ahead. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from this video? What are your investment plans for 2025? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Where are you investing in 2025? Drop a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for expert market insights. All right, because you stuck around to the end, I'm going to give you a little bonus. I'm going to share some insights into my personal investment strategy for 2025. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, just me sharing my own approach. First things first, I'm a big believer in real estate. I've been investing in rental properties for years, and I plan to continue doing so in 2025. I like the cash flow, the tax advantages, and the potential for long-term appreciation. Second, I'm still bullish on index funds. They're a simple, low-cost way to track the overall market and build wealth over time. Third, I'm keeping a close eye on the tech sector, specifically AI and renewable energy. These are the industries of the future, and I believe there's still a lot of growth potential there. Now, I'm also realistic. The economy is uncertain, and there are always risks involved with investing. That's why I'm staying diversified, keeping some cash on hand and not putting all my eggs in one basket. Remember, the key to successful investing is to have a plan, stay disciplined, and adapt as needed. So there you have it. My take on how to crush your investment goals in 2025, even if things get a little bumpy. Remember, the economy might have its ups and downs, but by focusing on what you can control, your knowledge, your strategy, and your long-term vision, you'll be way ahead of the curve. As always, I'm here to help you build that brighter financial future. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, go out there, make some smart moves, and crush those financial goals.